Good morning, everybody. Long time no see. It is 6 a.m. where I am this morning at home, and I just wanted to film a really quick video for you. So I got this package in the mail, and I had ordered myself a new Bible. I felt like it was time to order myself a new Bible that was a take to church sort of Bible for myself. My other take to church Bible I had given to a dear friend and passed it on to her. She's enjoying it, and it was time for me to get something that is not an art journaling Bible. At least that's not what I'm going to use it for. I'm going to use it for my quiet times. So I wanted to unbox it here with you. So this is the Bible that I ended up ordering for myself. It's the New Living Translation Reflections Bible. It does have the wide margins, just like my other journaling Bibles do, but I'm not planning on doing any art journaling in this one. Like I said, I want to be able to take it to church with me, but I did like the option to be able to write little notes or prayers in the margins and enjoy it that way. I went with the New Living Translation because a lot of my journaling Bibles are ESV, and then I also have a King James Version journaling Bible, and I just like having different versions of the Bible to compare, contrast, look through, and sometimes the New Living is just sort of a fresh look at Scripture. So it came in an Amazon padded envelope. It is covered, as you can see by the reflection, it is covered in plastic wrap. And this design here, unfortunately, isn't part of the actual cover. I like it. I think it's really pretty, but that's just part of the cardboard sleeve. So I'm going to go ahead and take the plastic wrap off. So this is a single column, wide margin, hardcover Bible. Most of my Bibles are soft cover, which I kind of prefer, but the only soft cover that was available in the New Living Reflections Bible when I was checking was a brown one, and I just felt like doing something different. So I'm going to remove this sleeve. I may end up keeping this to do something artistic with because I just really like that pattern. So this is cloth edition ocean blue. It says that the margins are 2 1/4 inches wide. I think that's pretty normal. And it does have a lay flat binding for long-lasting use. So I think what that means is even though it's hardcover, when you open it, it won't, kind of stay open. It'll actually lay flat so that you can work with it. So this is what the side binding looks like. Tyndale Holy Bible and NLT. The back is just blank. So let's crack it open for the first time ever. So it does have a presentation page, Reflections Bible, New Living Translation, right into the table of contents, note to the readers, a little bit of an introduction here, and then we're right into the Old Testament. So this is great. One thing I'm noticing right away is that these pages are actually white. So let me grab my other journaling Bible and show you a comparison. So here is my trusty ESV journaling Bible that I love so much. It's the one that I've done most of my artwork in. But let's just flip to a page here and you can see these are kind of traditional creamy colored Bible pages. And this here is the super white new Bible that I have. So I'm kind of excited about that. I don't know, sometimes I wish this one was super white since that's where I'm going to do my art, continue doing my art, but oh well. And it's the same type of lines in the margin where they're kind of dotted lines. They're not solid lines. So if you do any artwork in this Bible, those lines are going to disappear as soon as you add your work. So from this point on in the Bible, I think it is just a normal Bible setup. Like I said, it's single column, which is great when you get to books of the Bible that are written in a poetry style, because then you get really a lot of space here. If you are looking to do art, this is going to give you a wonderful amount of space. Or if you're, for example, reading the Psalms and maybe you just get going and start writing a prayer to the Lord, you've got lots of room for that. Let's see, flipping over here all the way to Revelation. I think the pages feel like the same weight as my other Bibles. I'm going to have to try this out and let you know how it works as far as which pens I can use to journal or take little notes during sermons and things like that inside. Now here's something fun. There is a 1-year Bible reading plan included in the back of this Bible. I didn't know that, so that's kind of cool. That's really nice actually, because sometimes when you sit down to do your quiet time, you kind of go, what am I going to read today? And you could actually just turn to whatever day it is, and that could give you some direction. Or you could go January 1st to December 31st through this whole Bible reading plan, and that would take you through the Bible in 1 year. Got a few blank pages in the back here at the end of that reading plan, and that's it. So, like I said, I ordered this Bible because it's kind of a no muss, no fuss. I can take it to church. It looks like a normal Bible. It's approximately the size of a normal Bible. Definitely not a thin line or anything like that, but it's ready to go. So I hope you guys have a great day. It is 6 a.m. here, and I'm going to actually go take this Bible now and have some quiet time by myself of just reading the Word and praying and getting ready for the day. One additional feature I just stumbled upon is definitely the ribbon, which is also in that coordinating ocean blue color, which is nice. I do like having a ribbon to keep me on track with where I was. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can find me on Facebook, Because Jesus Bible Journaling. Also be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you can get updates when I do post new videos. Have a great day.